In this video, I paid Fiverr to run my Facebook ads. Basically, the only thing I'm gonna do is build a website and let Fiverr take care of everything else. If you don't know, Fiverr is a marketplace where you can buy anything. You can buy a logo, you can even get a girlfriend, or you can get something like this. So I'm super excited for this video because I was always curious if I can pay somebody to run my ads. You know, I always wanted to outsource my Facebook ads, but I was never confident enough if someone else can do it profitably. So that's what we're gonna test in this video. So let's just not waste any more time, let's just get to the video. For the product, we're actually gonna go with the laptop stand. Why laptop stand? Because I have seen multiple ads on my feed and it's really cheap to get. And if you go on Google Trends and you search laptop stand, it's on the rise. It's going crazy. Look at that. It's touching 100 points right now. So it's the best product to sell and you can easily source it from AliExpress. So that's done, you know, that's why this is my favorite product. I literally need a Facebook laptop stand. So this is, I think it's a definitely good product. Next, we actually built a website. So as you guys can see, I built a simple website. I bought a domain called fixtureposture.co. And this is how the logo looks like. The picture, some pictures right here. Foldable laptop stand, we're gonna sell it for $49. We have 3 variants and pretty much add to cart buy now. Right here is some text description, which I crafted with my beautiful hands. It looks absolutely immaculate. I think it matches the theme and everything. And pretty much that's all it is. How to use some gifts right here, some gift right here, some gifts right here. Why do I need this? Some little description right here. This is the question all the people have. Will my laptop fit on this? Yes, all laptops will properly fit on this. I'll fix the error, whatever the typo is, and we let them know 30-day money-back guarantee, some reviews, and boom, we are ready to go on my favorite place called Fiverr. So now we are on Fiverr, so we're gonna try to find someone who can run my ads basically. So let's just search Facebook ads. Let's see what we come up with. Our studio will create video ads now. I will design okay, so most of these guys look like they create video ads. So let's just put run Facebook ads. See how it goes. $350, kind of pricey. Okay, so this right here looks like my cousin, but I doubt if he's that good. He's selling for $30. I feel like I would wanna buy somewhere around $50, but he got really good reviews. He got 44 reviews, so he looks good, you know? Let's just not buy the $350. If you guys smash the like button and get this video to 5,000 likes, I'll definitely make a video where I buy the $350 one. I'll even buy the $1,000 one if you guys get it to 5,000 likes. So if you want to watch that, go click that button right now. Pretty much that's good. Oh, right here, 1,500. So we'll buy this one next time if you guys get this to 5,000 likes. So let's just do this. Let's just sort them by reviews. Oh, you can't, best selling right here. Sort by best selling. So this guy's literally best selling right here, $30. This guy's doing good, but it's just a level 1 seller, top rated seller, $250. I don't know if I want to spend $250. So I'm actually, let's look at this guy. So $30 website traffic, lead generation, conversion ads. That's where we are looking for conversion ads. $30 package basic, and he'll run my ad for 2 days. I actually want my ads to be running for, all right, let's try 2 days. And if he does good, we'll actually extend the package and let him run for a couple more days. So this looks like pretty good. And let's look at some of the reviews. The communication was great from the United States. I heard of Facebook ads have been blah, blah, blah. So all the reviews look really solid. And this guy looks like a really nice guy. So let's just select this package. And should we get extra fast delivery? All right, let's do it. So overall, it's $30. I'm paying $20 for extra delivery. You don't have to, so let's just click order now, and boom. Okay, so we paid for the order, and he wants me to provide him 3 pieces of information. First, he wants access to my Facebook ads, which is pretty reasonable, right? So I'm just gonna give him access right real quick. All right, so we ran into a little issue right here. He wants me to send him a video or a picture for the ad campaign, which is pretty reasonable, you know? So I don't have any videos, so we're gonna go to my favorite place again, Fiverr, and we're gonna search video ads. So let's see if we can find some video ads. Right here, dropshipping video ads, boom, $40, kind of pricey. Let's see if we can find anything cheaper. So I'll do drop shipping ads. Let's see what we've come up with here. I will create Shopify Facebook videos for dropshipping products, $20, boom. I definitely love this, 671 reviews, 4.8 star reviews. So let's just check his profile, see what our guy is up to. Damn, he's selling almost everything. He's selling WordPress, keyword research, so looks like a smart guy to me. So I'm just gonna let him take over the job. right here, continue, $20 extra fast delivery. We kind of need extra fast delivery. So let's just order it right now. All right, boom. So we got the order for the video ads. After I get the video, I'll send my video to this guy and I'll let him run for 1 day and I'll update you on the end of day 1. All right, guys, so we're back. So remember the guy who was gonna do our video? He didn't do my video on time. So I hit him up, be like, hey, I paid for fast delivery. It's been more than 1 day. What's going on? He's like, sorry, we had a storm and basically he's telling me there was no electricity in the last 24 hours. But he managed to complete my order, just allow me 2-3 hours, and he did. So let's just watch the video. So I haven't watched it, so we're gonna watch it together. I'm not gonna lie, that's dope. I'm like super impressed with the thing right here he did. That is actually dope. Right here. Whatever this is dope. Boom. I'll give this video a 10 out of 10. It hits all the elements. It's fast-paced and there's text on the screen. It's solid 40-second quick video. So I absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna accept the order and then we're gonna send this file to our main guy. All right, guys, so I got the video. I'm sending in the video. Here's the video. Can you start running ads tonight? That's pretty much it. The only thing I'm pissed off at that we paid this guy $20 extra to start running ads faster, but we didn't have the video. So it's fault on our side. I can't really blame him for that, but that's pretty much it. I'm super excited to see if this guy actually gets us some sales. So whenever we launch my ads, I'll update you guys. I'll see you guys then.
Few inches later.
All right, guys, so this is the moment of truth. You know, it's been about 20 hours since that person delivered our order. So let's see what's going on. So first, let's check he delivered our order. And right here, right? So he's saying, are you happy with the delivery? Yes or no? So first we're gonna look into ads. This is the say thank you for the order. Your delivery is enclosed. If you have any problems, let me know. So that's perfect. He is actually willing to help. Let's see what's this picture about. He just sent us a picture. Oh, it's just the picture of the ad. So he's just sending me the picture of the ad, which is good. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's just look at the ads manager, see what's going on. So this is let's see if he spent any money yesterday. Nothing yesterday. So today is basically spending money. So as you guys can see, 2 campaigns, $20 budget each, $27, $26. No view content. I mean, that's pretty bad, but that just tells me I don't know who he's targeting, that we only have 8 view content out of $27. Super bad. But he got some initial checkout, which is crazy to me. Out of 8 people, 3 people actually initial checkout. I'm guessing he just did it himself from his own link because the ratio of that looks pretty fucked up. But let's see what's inside it, who he selected. So we go here, fix your post your ad sets. Let's edit it. Purchase right pixel, he chose the right pixel. He's using some kind of lookalike audience. I mean, we didn't have any sales on this store. Like, where he got the lookalike audience from? Like, what the fuck, dude? What?
Ew, dude! What the fuck?
What exactly is going on? How could he use lookalike audience if we had nothing? Just crazy. I don't know what he's doing, so that's stupid. Let's see if he got the ad right. I mean, it looks like he did everything good. Let's see if he's actually sending the people to our website. So that's the ad. He got the video right. I told him just choose whatever text makes sense to you. Get the person, reduce iris, blah, blah, blah. Also hurry up. So there's no link right here, which is like it could have helped. Headline is improve your poster by now. Describe, and this is the URL link. Let's see if it's working properly. Oh yeah, it's working properly, so that's good. Pretty much he did this part right, but I have no idea what is going on over there. Let's see the second campaign. I actually told him I have a budget of $100, so I don't get the point. Why would he select 20 each? He would have selected 50 each. But good thing for me, because he would have definitely burned through all the money, because look at the only 5 view content, so I have no idea who he's targeting. Let's see, purchase. So it started in the morning somewhere. It's 20, yeah. So it started last night, but it didn't went active for another hour. No limit, United States. So he basically, what he did, he threw everything into one interest. And bro, what the fuck? He literally threw engaged shopper in there in the same thing. That's just stupid. So let's click edit right here. So basically what he did was he threw everything in here. He didn't even narrow it down by, you know how we narrow it down by engaged shoppers? He literally throw that in there and have, basically that's everybody in America, which is stupid. So this is definitely stupid. Look at the reach size. It's 160 million. Of course, we are not getting any view content or sales because he's just targeting literally every single person. And even he left that thing on. We always turn it off. You guys know that we always turn this thing on. He left it on. And it's not even giving the option because the ad is running right now. So far, this is terrible. This is absolutely terrible. So I'm definitely gonna hit him back up, be like, whatever you did, that's fucking stupid. Let's see if we actually got this thing. It says we have about 13 visitors. Let's actually see if this 13 people actually went to our website and we have 1 add to cart or 3 something. Let's see. Go to analytics. Oh, we actually had 22 people visiting today, so that's okay, some add to cart. But look at that. He didn't even narrow down the location. Most of the traffic, he actually himself, he's from India, so he visited 5 times. Overall, this is absolutely terrible. This is definitely not acceptable. So I'm gonna get on his ass and tell him to go fix it up. Are you pleased with the delivery? No, I'm definitely not pleased. I still need a revision. And another thing is, I don't know if you guys remember, he was supposed to run our ad for 2 days. So how did he only run our ads and right away he said, all right, you're all good, take care of your ad. He was supposed to manage for 2 days. So he's supposed to run ads for the first day, and on the end of the day, he's supposed to do some troubleshooting and see how it goes. Because right here, you guys can see management day duration was 2 days. So he's supposed to look at ads today. So there's no way it's getting delivered today. So I'm just gonna let him know whatever you did, it was definitely not the way to go. Go ahead and fix it up. I need a different interest, and definitely delete the campaign with lookalike audience. I have no idea where you got the lookalike audience from, and delete everything we had. Start a whole new campaign and try to at least target 10 different keywords. So let's see how does he does that. I'm gonna type it right now to. So yeah, I'm gonna send him that right now. And I'll update you guys tomorrow, see if we fixed it up and see if we actually get some sales. Because I'm not mad about sales. What I'm really mad about, like, how come we spend like about $50, we only have 22 visitors? We're supposed to have 80, 90 quality visitors by now, So he need to fix that up. So I'll update you tomorrow and see how this guy does. All right, the final day, all right. So this guy finally responded. Basically, he's saying, actually, this is not included in the gig. You can accept this order or place a new one. Blah, blah, blah. Basically, all he's saying, his job was to just set up one campaign, one ad set, and one ad, which definitely doesn't say in his contract anywhere, and he was supposed to manage for 2 days. So basically, he's saying, if you want me to fix all those, place new orders, I'm not gonna do it. So all I have today is absolutely pathetic, tragic experience. This guy completely ruined the whole video. And for the ads, he did actually turn them off. Right here, you guys can see yesterday we spent about $54. Today we spent about $7. And if you look at analytics, we got about 39 real visitors right here, 39 real visitors. And that's pretty much it. All right, and by the way, if you guys want me to try out this $1,500, this lady actually does like a 30-day package for $1,500. Smash the like button. If this video gets to 2,000 likes, I'll definitely buy this $1,500 package and see if this is better than the $30 package we bought, or it's all the same thing. So if you guys want to watch that video, make sure to click the like button and get it 2,000 likes so we can drop this banger, all right? So all I gotta say is, in conclusion, this guy didn't work out. I wouldn't say that outsourcing Facebook ads is a bad idea. I would just say for this experiment, this guy didn't work out. And let's be honest, we paid $30 for it. So we have to accept that you get what you pay for. $30 is not a great amount for Facebook ads, but I did give him my open budget. I told him you can spend up to $100, so that's the only thing I'm disappointed about. But that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.